MrBeast turned YouTube into a money machine, but it wasn't luck. It was strategy, obsession, and a plan anyone can learn from. Here are 5 steps he used to build his empire. Step 1. Start small, stay consistent. MrBeast uploaded for years with barely any views. No viral hits, no fancy gear, but he showed up every day and improved one video at a time. Step 2. Reinvest everything. Most creators chase profit. MrBeast put every dollar back into better videos. $100 videos became $1,000, then $1 million, all from reinvesting. He didn't buy stuff. He built value. Step 3. Study obsessively. He didn't just upload, he studied YouTube like homework. Thumbnails, titles, watch time. He reverse-engineered success and repeated what worked. Step 4. Build a team. You can't grow alone. MrBeast hired editors, planners, and thinkers. Together, they created viral ideas that shook the internet. Step 5. Think bigger than money. He gave away millions, fed the hungry, planted trees. People didn't just watch him, they trusted him. That built a brand worth millions. Before you go, tell me, how many of these 5 steps are you already following?